Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to send money from Cashapp to Venmo in 2023 using Paxful. While it's important to note that this method might or may have certain risks and may not be officially supported, we'll walk you through the process. So please proceed with caution and ensure that you comply with the terms and conditions of both Cashapp, Venmo, and Paxful. So make sure to stick by, let's dive right into it, and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. In my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case you can use any other browser that you can possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go in this URL section and simply type paxful.com and hit the enter button. Of course, if it's your first time, you'll not find yourself on the screen. You'll find yourself in the home screen or main screen of Paxful, and of course from there you'll be able to go and log in into your account at the top right corner if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, make sure to go and find the sign up or register option to create an account for yourself. Click on it and follow the prompt to create your account, enter your credentials, and do whatever necessary. Of course, but before we start, make sure that you have a Cashapp account and a Venmo account. Of course, if you have any of those, make sure to go and log in into it and check if you have balance on into Cashapp if you want to transfer it or to send money from Cashapp to Venmo. If you don't have any account or like on Cashapp or Venmo, you can simply go and create your own on both of them and even Paxful. Once you are ready and everything is set up, you will have to go into this option and of course make sure to verify your phone number and even your email and even set up this 2FA or two-factor authentication. Because a lot of people or a lot of sellers or buyers will require from you phone verification and email verification. So make sure to go and finish those steps so your account will be totally set up and you'll be able to use this without any problems. So now we'll have to go to this buy option and click on this drop down menu. Here you'll be able to buy Bitcoin, Tether, or USD coin. So you can choose whatever suits you. As an example, for me, I'm just going to choose Tether or USDT. And here, as you can see, I'm just going to choose this pay via. I'm just going to type Cashapp. As you can see, I find this here. So simply, I'm just going to click on it. And here, offer location worldwide does not matter. And I want to spend, of course, you can change the currency from here. You can let it as it is or any currency. Or if you have a specific currency on your Cashapp, you can simply go and select it here. Once you finish all assessing things here, you can simply go and click on find offers. Once you do so, as you can see, you'll find some offers here. Make sure to go and choose a verified user or buyer. And if you didn't find it at the time, as an example, for me, I'm not finding it at this moment, it's fine. You can simply go and look for somebody with a good likes. So as you can see, this person has a good amount of likes, 1,411. But just make sure to keep attention of this min purchase and max purchase. That means the minimum purchase that you can buy of Tether is 1,000 and the maximum is 1,000, so you cannot go and buy less or even more. So if this, as an example, this buyer suits you or this one, simply go and click on buy. Once you do so, that will take you to this image. And here, I'll simply have to go and type whatever amount of USDT I want to buy or USD that I want to spend from my Cashapp. As I said before, he sets the 1,000 USD minimum maximum, so I can actually change it or I can change it, but as you can see, the trade limit is 1,000, so simply you'll have to go and put it if you want to. Of course, this is what you are going to pay in USD and this is what you're going to receive in USDT. Make sure that, as you can see, we need additional details. So to buy Tether from this user or this buyer, you'll need to verify your email address and phone number. If you didn't do so, make sure to go and do it right now by clicking on Start Verification. Once you do so, you come back here and you'll find the buy option right here. Click on it. As you can see, this buyer has just positive feedbacks, no negative feedbacks, so it's actually verified. Kind of, so he has the ID verified, email verified, phone verified, and address verified, so it's trusted, so don't worry. Make sure to go and check those options because it's necessarily for your security. Once you buy your Tether and now you have your Tether or your USDT on your account, simply you'll have to go at the top here again and go to the cell and click on this drop down menu, and whatever you bought, as example, if you bought Bitcoin, click here. If you bought Tether, click here. If you bought USDC, click here. So I'm just going to click on Tether here, and here we are going to choose Get Paid via Venmo. As you can see, I found this here, so simply I'll have to go and click on it, then I can simply choose the currency if I want to, or I can let it on it as it is. And here you can even choose the location. For me, I'm just going to choose worldwide, then click on find offers. Here, we're just going to look for whatever seller suits us. As an example, go and check for the price that suits you, and of course, make sure he is verified and has a good amount of likes. As I said before, keep sure or make sure to keep an eye on this minimum and maximum sales, so you don't have any problems. As an example, so for us, as an example, this will suit us. Is he's verified, he has a lot of likes, and the minimum maximum suits me. So something I will have to click on sell. Once I do so, I'll have to simply here enter the amount that I want to receive or I will receive on my Venmo account. Or I'll simply have to go and type here whatever amount of USDT I want to sell. If you fill the one, the other one will be filled. If you fill this one, this will be filled. If you fill this one, this will be filled. So as an example, I'm just going to put like 900. And as you can see, you pay 900 USD worth of Tether plus 1% escrow fee. And as you can see, you will receive this amount of USD on your Venmo account. Of course, you'll have to go and add it to your wallets if you want to start this trade. For me, I still don't have it. And of course, this same will be at this buyer or the seller. So to sell Tether to this buyer or to the seller, you'll need to verify your email and phone number. So you'll have to go and click on start verification. And once you do so, you can go back and click on sell. So you will have your money in your Venmo account. Again, you can scroll down and see if he has everything verified and if he has a good amount of feedbacks or positive feedback. Of course, not everyone will have zero negative feedback because a lot of people not everyone will be happy. Even if he did everything right, a lot of people would just give you negative feedback. So don't worry about the six. You can compare them. As you can see, to the positive feedback, he has a lot comparing to negative. So not a problem. And of course, normally you'll be protected by Paxful, especially if you do everything through here. Once you sell everything here, you can simply go and check your Venmo account if you have or if you received the funds there. If you did, you've successfully sent the money from Cashapp to Venmo, and that's gonna be it. But remember to prioritize your security throughout the entire process. Be cautious of or when dealing with the third-party platforms like this Paxful or any other platforms example, and ensure that you are using trusted and verified or verified seller. Additionally, of course, stay updated with the latest security practices for both Cash App and Venmo to protect your funds and personal information. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations, you've learned how to transfer or how to send money from Cash App to Venmo in 2023. Of course, using Paxful. It's important to note that this method may involve risks, as I said, and might not officially supported by Cash App or Venmo. So make sure to exercise with caution, comply with the terms and conditions of all involved platforms, and prioritize your financial securities. So thank you for watching, and we wish you the best in your financials endeavors. So if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. And I will see you in the next video.